Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Emuna's Learning Point. In this video, I am going to explain you about C language interview tips. So, for preparing the C language, we must and should know about the topics in the C language. I want to explain you some topics and also how to prepare the various topics within that particular topics that will be asked in the interview. So the various topics I'm going to explain you are: the first topic is variable declaration, definition and scope. So in order to face the interview, we must know and should know about the basics in that particular subject. The recruiters will always concentrate on how strong our basics is. So we must know how to declare a variable and how to define a scope or a definition of a scope means. And next topic is the data types and the tokens. So we should know what a data type means and what are the various types of tokens like keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, operators. All these comes under the tokens. So we should know about each and every token. And after that, the topic is the storage classes. In the storage classes, there are various types of the storage classes like static, register. So we should know about each and every storage class to answer the questions asked by the recruiters. And after that, the next topic is input or output. So we should definitely know how to give the input or how to get the output. For example, to read the output, we will use the scanf, and to get the output, we will write it using the printfs. So we must know about this giving input and getting the output. And next one is the operators. There are various types of operators like pre-increment operator, post-increment operator, and as well as pre-decrement operator, post-decrement operator, and also we have other operators like bitwise right shift operator, bitwise complement operator, bitwise left shift operator. So in this way, there are various types of operators in the C language. To answer the recruiter's questions, we must know about each and every operator and how we can perform those operators using the C language. And the next one is the preprocessor directives. The preprocessor directives are various types of directives which will be helpful to include the standard input and output. For example, we will use #include stdio.h. It is nothing but including the standard input and outputs. For example, we are using the printf and scanf only when we can include those standard inputs and outputs. For that, we are using the preprocessor directives. And we are using the preprocessor directives to define the constants as well as the macros. To answer the recruiter's questions, please know about what the constant means, what the macros means. And the next topic is arrays and strings. So the main topic what the recruiters focus on is the arrays. How to declare an array, how to get the value from an array, and also various problems will be present in the arrays like pyramid problem or printing the star patterns. Also the number patterns should be learned in order to be perfect in these arrays and also to be perfect about the recruiter's questions. For example, recruiters will ask what the main use of an array is. So to answer the recruiter's questions, we must be thorough about the concept in the arrays. Arrays will be mainly used for storing the data types, same type of data types. And also, arrays will be very useful to retrieve the random values. This is one of the major use of arrays. The recruiter's questions will be in this way. So, try to be perfect in each and every topic you are going to learn. And the next topic is strings. There are various string functions like strlen, strcpy to copy, and also strcat and strcmp. Try to learn about each and every function, and also try to learn to perform these particular operations without using that particular function. So these are various topics that will recruiter focus more. And the next topic is the functions. So in the functions, you have to learn how to declare a function and what are the actual and formal arguments in that particular function. So recruiters will focus on these topics. So you have to learn what an actual parameter is and what if formal parameter is in that particular functions. And after that, recruiters will focus on the dynamic memory allocations. We all have to know what the dynamic memory allocation means. Dynamic memory allocation means nothing but allocation of memory at runtime. There are various types of dynamic memory allocations like malloc, calloc, free. In this way, there are various memory allocations. We have to learn thoroughly about all these allocations to answer the recruiter's questions. And the next topic is pointer. Pointer is very advanced topic and it can be easily learned using the some of the stuffs in the internet and also by practicing some models on that particular pointers topic. And mainly recruiters will ask what the pointer means and where we can use the particular pointer. And the next topic is structure. Structures will concentrate on the various differences between the structure and union and also the various uses of the structure and also how can we declare a structure and how can we access the elements that are declared in the structure. All these things will be asked by the recruiter on the structure and union topics. And the last but not the least topic, what are the various types of control statements you have read and how they can be useful everywhere. They are going to test your basics only in an appropriate way. And if you are perfect in your level, then it will be definitely easy to crack the interview questions asked by the recruiter. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I will explain you about each and topic of this particular interview introduction I have given. Thank you very much.